Hello friends, I am going to say about myself. My name is R. Sarvesh. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. My father's name is Mr. G. Rajendran. My mother's name is Mrs. T. Shani. My father's mobile number is 8807. My mother's mobile number is 8870. I live in Avadi. I am studying in class first C. My school name is Villaman Nexus. My favorite color is green. My favorite game is football. My favorite food is idli. My favorite cartoon is Paw Patrol. My country name is India. Thank you. Have a good day. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பாய்.